Hi, I'm Chris Wachowski, the Operations Manager here at Glick Fire Equipment. We understand the importance of having your apparatus in service and available for emergency responses. So to reduce downtime, Glick Fire Equipment has 4 service facilities: Bird in Hand, Hatfield, Mill Hall, and Zewingnople. We also have 18 fully stocked mobile service trucks throughout the state of Pennsylvania. And you will never be billed for travel charges or hidden fees. We will only charge you for the time we are at your station. All of our service and fabrication technicians, as well as our parts experts, are factory trained. That means the service you get from Glick is backed not only by our company, but by the manufacturers we represent. We also offer preventive maintenance programs, pump testing at our facilities or at your fire station, as well as custom fabrication. Having been with Glick for more than 20 years myself, I can attest to the pride we take in our work and the service we provide. We aim to provide you with the service you deserve and to exceed your expectations.